Chitta Vritti Nirodhah. Now, as it has been explained into English, bad translators. Nirodha means, how it is explained? Come on, many of you read. What word have they used? Say? Hey, come on, many of you have read this.
Suppression.
Now, if you call it suppression, then suppression will lead your life. So it's a bad word. If you call it repression, that repression will lead your life. We all know. Even if you are not a student of psychology or teacher of psychology, you know that suppression and repression is a very dangerous something for your mental condition, mental life. So how Patanjali can say you should learn to suppress your mind and modifications? No. Nirodha, the word Nirodha. Patanjali said, let you learn to cultivate your mind when your mind is in a perfect state of equilibrium. That is the meaning. Nirodha does not mean suppression. Prepare, cultivate your mind in a way so that your mind attain a state of equilibrium and tranquility, so that it is fit to attain samadhi. That is the meaning. That's not the meaning. Suppress your mind, any feelings you have, suppress your thought, and you will become a yogi. You will become diseased. You can never become yogi. You will become sick. You can never become yogi. And most of the English texts say like that, translate that way. You will not understand the word control of Chitta-vritti Nirodha, because no yogi has Chitta-vritti Nirodha. The moment he has, he is in samadhi. No students have Chitta-vritti Nirodha, none of you have. So when none of you have, how will you say what it is? What do you mean by? The Sutra says Chitta-vritti Nirodha. These are four Chitta-vrittis. What do you mean by Nirodha here? You say suppress them. Meaning you don't want your manas to think, you don't want your buddhi to function, you don't want your ego to function, you want your chitta to function, you want to suppress all the qualities of different faculties of your mind. Why do you call it suppression? Therefore, that translation is outdated. I don't accept it.